Okay, this is number 15 from the first semester final exam. This problem is asking us to express with a rational denominator in simplest form. And it's 3 over 4 minus radical 7. I'm going to write it down here so we can do the work. So we have 3 over 4 minus radical 7. Remember, if we want to rationalize the denominator, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 4 minus radical 7? Well, the conjugate of 4 minus radical 7 is 4 plus radical 7. And we have to do that on the top and on the bottom. Why do we have to do it on the top and on the bottom? Well, what is 4 plus radical 7 divided by 4 plus radical 7? That's 1, right? So when we multiply this by 1, we change what it looks like, but we don't change what it is. And that's okay. So let's multiply by using the distributive property. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and 3 times radical 7 is 3 radical 7 over. Something nice should happen down here if we've done this correctly. We have to use the distributive property. 4 times 4 gives us 16. Do you see how we did that? 4 times the 4 gives us 16. And 4 times radical 7 is plus 4 radical 7. Now we can distribute this negative radical 7. Negative radical 7 times 4 is negative 4 radical 7. Right? And now we can distribute the negative radical 7 again. Negative radical 7 times radical 7. Well, that comes out to be a negative 7. Is there anything that can cancel out here? Yes, there is. And if you've done it correctly, something should cancel out whenever you multiply two conjugates together. So on the top, we still have 12 plus 3 radical 7 over 4 radical 7 minus 4 radical 7. These parts cancel out. 16 minus 7 gives us a 9. So we end up, well, at the bottom of 9. Do we see why? Well, 16 minus 7 gives us that 9. The terms in the middle are canceled out. We can simplify what we have here, though, now. The way I'll simplify it is by breaking it into two fractions and then simplifying. So we have 12 over 9 plus 3 radical 7 over 9. Do you see how I broke this into two fractions, each of which may be able to be simplified? So I'm going to divide a 3 from the top and the bottom so that this becomes 4 over 3 plus, and I can divide a 3 from the top and the bottom, which makes this become 1 radical 7, right? 3 divided by 3 is 1, so 1 radical 7, which is just radical 7 over 3. I think this is an okay answer. The question does say to write it as one fraction with a rational denominator in simplest form. So we can, since these denominators are the same, we can write this out as 4 plus radical 7 over 3. This is the best answer for number 15.